Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So finally I'm going home. Oh my god, there's so many things that happen. I got the work from home approval for 1 month, but later it got rejected, and later I am just going for 2 weeks, which is not enough for me. I'm going after 1 year. Oh my god. But yeah, everything happens for good reason. We have reached the airport. There. Oh my god, सुबह के 5 बजे अभी मेरे को चलो और मैं सोई भी नहीं हूँ बस दो घंटा सोई पता है उसका दुख है ना now we are going no. Hyderabad Airport going to the Bagdogra. I hope our flight will not get delay or cancel because since 2 days it's raining. चलो मेरे ऊपर कर तो नीचे क्यों कर रही है? Now we are going to enter at this run. Hyderabad Airport is quite big. यार we'll get Hyderabad में like 2 दिन से rain हो रहा है. I hope like finger crossed. Airport, you know. Look for the information tags if it's so big because we are about to go to the wrong line. Look for the right one, but there's not many in the phone. See here. Where are you going? Miss Lakshmi, where are you going? Say something. Diet checking हो रहा है यहाँ से. Our bag is checking in. Now they have changed. The system is reservation. You just have to get a tag from the system, and they're doing it in the one by one. Do you see here? So they got the different system over here, dude. Our luggage bag is checked in. Now we are going for security. And the security check line, which is I hate it. Checking is done now. See here. So checking is done. Thank God, jaldi हो गया. Morning flights are good. Yeah, कितना भीड़ होता है. Jovis. So now we have to wait. Like we are like 2 hours early. Forji cafe also here. मैं पूरा एयरपोर्ट घूम रही हूँ because I have 2 hours to go. Cafe looks stunning. We were like very afraid that flight get delayed or something because इतना rain हो रहा है हैदराबाद में, and I already applied the leave as well. I cannot cancel my leave as well. Oh, thank God, flight is not delayed. मैं बस घूम रही हूँ. And my sister, she is not interested. मैं बस घूम रही हूँ. So I'm looking for the launch thing. वो कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. So I'm going to check for launch access if I have or not. So I came here to check the launch access, and my all 3 card doesn't have the access. SDFC, IDFC, SBI. Oh my God! I think maybe we'll have access to the like credit card, but I did not got my credit card. Maybe I'm not sure. This is so sad that I don't have access. When we are creating the salary account, there's this like people will come and you'll have the free access to the airport, but we don't have it. Oh my God! I thought I'll make a video. I'll try it to get the free food since. For the first time I'm going on this because I have lots of time and I'm gonna just. And people who don't know, maybe who's coming to the airport or maybe you know this card are free like. What? God, the sky is clear and our flight is on time. Thank God. Say hi. Come fast now. Walk. yeah, Apollo Pharmacy also nice. Okay, take it. How much it is? Airport में ज़्यादा होता है क्या?
नहीं आजकल तो इसमें नहीं ना.
I don't know. Let's go. Wow. So many flights. We're going on Indigo. ऐसे क्लियर क्यों नहीं दिख रहा है? I hope we'll be on time. चलो चल. I have though like half an hour more on this. Oh, here I go. It's another flight. Indigo. We have more time to board the flight. We are boarding now. Thanks to God that flight didn't get delayed. I was thinking मैंने already leave apply कर दिया. अगर by chance flight cancel हो गया तो फिर जो leave apply किया वो भी waste जाता. Already I'm having a loss of faith. Thank goodness. I'm so happy. Flight is not delayed. अभी बारिश भी नहीं हो रही है. See here. Do mine also now. We are going to home after 1.5 years. Oh, no. I think I should record. So we are going home after almost after 1.5 years. 1 year. अब जानुपर्छ गाडीमा फेरि. But the thing is we don't have a direct flight. We are going till Bagdogra. Oh nice. Didi, see here, can you do my video? Wait na, I already did yours. Wow. Do mine one. Directly here, we don't have to go by the bus, which is so good. Okay na? Thank you. So what happened is bus में आते bus में जाते लेकिन this is good. This is so wow. Let's go. They look here. Okay, go search for the seat. Yeah, bought it.
अपनी सीट पर बैठ जाएं और प्रस्थान के लिए आयल को खाली रखें. धन्यवाद. Welcome to Indigo. We would love to take off with you at the
Get the bus on time and we'll reach in 2 days. It will not take 3 days. Is it gonna take 3 days? 3 days? 2 days. I don't want to wait anywhere like or anywhere. Just ऐसे निकलते सारे टैक्सी मिल जाएगा बस मिल जाएगी. It will be so easy if it happens. New icon.
Please keep your large bags in the overhead bin above and small
Welcome to
bags under
Indigo.
the seat in front of you. Please take your seats and keep the aisle free for a quick departure. Thank you.
have ordered the. Actually, we have booked the pre-booked. We have booked the food. So for the first time in Friday, we have booked the food already. So let's see, it's gonna be tasty or not. I'm not that hungry. Like office. कल मैंने 1 बजे shift complete किया and I have just slept for 2 hours.
Your board flight 68346 to Bagdogra. With me today is Captain Vikas, who is in command. Our flight time today will be 2 hours and 5 minutes. Our crew today is ably led by Ms. Janvi. They are here for your comfort and
Now my flight is taking off. फिर से स्माइल कर अच्छा सा बड़ा couple of flights. Wow, so many flights. बहुत पूरा लाइन पे लगा है ना दी पीछे देखते कितना सारा है. Okay. Yeah, dude.
Members are Jennifer, Srishti, Dilrose, Divya, and I join your lead cabin crew member. We speak Hindi and English and some of us speak Bengali, Chhattisgarhi, Khasi and Marathi.
Take off हो गया. लेकिन हम लोग थोड़ा आगे बैठे सबसे आगे बैठे सामान कर Done? Okay. Say hi. And Lakshmi got the 2 window. Lucky. Not lucky actually, we have paid for standard seats. The sun is coming. Must sun. See here? Nice here, sun is coming. What? sun कितना प्यारा लग रहा है. हैदराबाद में रेन हो रहा था बट यहाँ पे लेकिन sun थोड़ा सा इतना प्यारा लग रहा है. This makeup video. Done. Iti ठीक सा? Got direct flight. ये तो बस बाहर. This is tea and biryani. I thought biryani will be. They will just put the hot water and it's I don't like this kind of biryani. I don't know it will be good or not. कितना comedy वाला sticker है. Presenting the world famous Hyderabadi biryani. Well, we'll see what is good or not. And my this chicken paneer I think. Sorry, this is sandwich. Is it good? Yeah. Mero put कर सकते. They choice. What cheese can you? Coffee is also good. Taste at least. Sandwich. Give me tea. I want to taste. करना भी नहीं आता. Done. Tea is good. हाँ छोड़ दे. दे the tea. Tea is wins always. It's good. It is good. कैसे खा रही है? Did you like it? Sandwich like this. It's good. Let's taste it. It's chicken, right? You like it? It's so okay. Not so good. But I will suggest you guys to pre-book गर्म पानी डाल कैसे बोल बोलना कैसे है उसको हॉट वाटर में डाल के दिया यार बोलो ओके ओके और गुड ग्रेट रेट 10 to 5 5 6 7 5 good let me taste not good पूरा हवा से लग रहा है not at all good don't buy it flight we got this napkin it's written over like दाने दाने पे लिखा है खाने वाले का दाने दाने बोले खाने वाले का Did you really like it? मुझे लग रहा है नकली बिरयानी खा रहे हैं see that in cup we have again spot the life which is the truth and which the French invented French fries in the 17th century. I don't know, maybe it can be right, that's why it's called French fries. Some power outages in the United States caused by spiders. This is wrong.